Today I want to share with you some things that you need not to do once you've been pre-approved for a mortgage. So let's get started. Okay, number one, do not change jobs or change the way you make money. Your lender needs to be able to track your income and the amount of income on an annual basis. So do not change any of that without consulting your lender first. Number two, do not apply for new credit. It doesn't matter if it's a car or if it's just simply a credit card. This is going to have a negative impact on your FICO score when these organizations pull your credit. Number three, do not deposit any large sums of cash into your bank accounts. Your lenders have to be able to track your money coming in and out of your bank accounts, and cash is very hard to trace. So before you make any large transfers, talk to your lender. They will give you the proper documentation to fill out before you make those transfers. Number four, do not co-sign a loan for anyone for any reason. As soon as you do, in your lender's eyes, you're on the hook for that loan. It doesn't matter whether you're making the payments or not. Number five, do not make any large purchases on credit. For example, a new car or furniture for your new house. Any kind of new debt is going to have a negative impact on your debt-to-income ratio. Number six, do not change bank accounts. Again, lenders want to be able to track money coming in and out of your accounts. So changing accounts is going to make this very difficult. If you do need to change accounts, consult with your lender first. And finally, number seven, do not close out any credit accounts. This one kind of stumps people up sometimes because they think, well, if I close out a credit account, I'm less of a risk. Well, this isn't true. A large portion of your FICO score looks at the length and depth of your credit history, not just your payment history. So if you have any questions on this, shoot me a DM, call me, text, doesn't matter. Thanks for watching. Take care.